my guides are saying, are you sure you want to know the answer? Like, are you absolutely sure that you want to know what you want to know? Very random message. Like, really, are you really sure you want to know this? Let's see. There's something that's very heavy on your mind. Very heavy on your mind. Very heavy on your heart. I can feel it. Very heavy on your soul. Ooh. 8 of Cups. 4 of Pentacles. So you've walked away from a connection, or the connection has walked away from you. There is jealousy, possessiveness around this connection, but there's always somebody, also somebody who is guarded and who is hiding their feelings from you. So this is about a person, this heavy energy, and this reading. I want you to think about this person, and I want you to really visualize them, because I'm going to ask this question where your angel guides are saying, are you sure you want to know the answer? So I'm going to ask. So right now I need you to visualize your person, put them in your third eye, put them in your mind's eye. Think about how they smell, what their face looks like, how they make you feel, you know, that energy. Think about their name, think about their face, think about how they make you feel. What is going on with this connection? Let's ask the cards, what is going on with this connection? Keep thinking about your person. Just hold them there. Little details. The more detailed you get in visualization, the more stronger it will come through. What is going on in this connection? And remember, are you sure you want to know? Ace of Wands. New beginnings. Queen of Wands. This could be someone who has another person. There's infidelity. This is somebody who may have walked away, or you've left them because they have had interest in a third party. Of course, this third party could also be the fact that it could be a mother, a sister, or it's a feminine energy who has come between your connection, or you have felt has come between your connection. I also feel like your person may be a little bit jealous and possessive. See, are you sure? You might not have known that. Are you sure you want to know? There's a child here somewhere as well. Someone has a child. It does feel like more of a feminine energy. This is saying new beginning. The Wheel of the Year has just come out. This person, are you sure you want this? You're in separation from your person right now. The person that they chose over you, or you decided to kick them out and they went to, whatever it is, or the person that they are currently with, that relationship is coming to an end. And that's that. That relationship is coming to an end. They are coming forward for you, or coming back for you. What? Now that is just the message. See, I said, now you're like, damn, I told you. Are you sure you want to know? Private readings available through the link in my bio.